Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. Today we are going to create a BMI calculator and we are going to learn some new concepts along with it. So what is a BMI calculator? We give our height and our weight and we get a body mass index which tells us if we are underweight, normal, overweight or obese. So let's get into our Android Studio. So I have created a new application BMI calculator. So the first thing is we are going to create our UI. So for the UI we are going to need four things: to edit text, to input our height and weight, and a button to calculate it, and a text view to show the result. So we already have our text view. We can just give it an ID. Your BMI. Now we need to edit text. So we have created our basic UI here. We have two text views, height and weight, and we have our calculate button, and we have our text view which will show our result. So our basic UI is ready. Now we are going to go into our main activity.java file and we are going to implement the logic. So we have declared these four objects and we have initialized them as well. So now what we have to do is we have to set a click listener on our calculate button, and whenever we click on our calculate button, if the values are present in the height and weight, then we will show our BMI index. So this is our very basic implementation of BMI. And also to calculate this, what we have to do is we have to specify the few things here. For example, our weight has to be in kgs and our height has to be in meters. So this height value should be in meters and weight should be in kgs. So what we are going to do is we are going to just mention here height meters, weight in kilograms. Okay, so it has now updated. So now let's just build our application and see if it is working or not. So the application is crashing somehow. Let's see what is the issue. Unable to start activity. App compact issue cannot be cast to app compact edit text. Okay. This should be text view. So now our application is running and I'm going to show you guys how it is looking. So currently it looks like this. So I'm going to enter here some values. Let's say height I'm going to mention 1.5 meters and weight I'm going to mention in kgs, let's say 85, and let's hit the calculate. So it is saying you are obese. So you can see the colors were not really visible here, so we are just going to update our UI. So the first thing, background white. So let's just see it again. So our app is now visible. So I'm going to enter here height, let's say 2 meter, and weight, let's say 85 kgs, and we are going to calculate height. So it is saying you are normal. So that's it for today's video, guys. In the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to improve our UI. We are going to add some unit conversions here, like let's say user wants to select in which unit user wants to enter their height and weight. We are going to do that, and internally we are going to convert them into one specific unit. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in the next video.